Amelia Island 2023 recap. This is a tough one for me. So, first of all, I want to give a shout out to my friend Joe Morgan for making this possible, because Joe actually found a condo for myself and him and John Woods, and you're going to meet them on this channel soon. Lucy and Jeff and Tony Reimke. Well, actually, Tony's last name is Franco. Lucy and Jeff Reimke. And at some point in the future, we're going to have Tony Franco on this channel. Tony had the #1 body shop for repairing Mercedes in Johannesburg, South Africa. This guy was like amazing because he came from Portugal. Portugal is not a wealthy country. It's a country where people work their butt off to make it day to day. And he started this body shop that had select jigs and spot welders. And so one of the things that really touched me the most about Tony was that, you know, not only did he start with nothing, but he was working in South Africa at a very difficult time, and he treated all of his employees equally, which, you know, is something that you don't hear about happening in South Africa in the 60s, 70s, and 80s. So, you know, Tony's a really admirable guy. He has a huge heart, and in his old age, he still loves talking about his work that he did. And so at some point in the near future, I want to get him on this channel to do a couple of short interviews with him about his work in the heyday of when the 126 and 123 and 107 were new. So anyway, back to this whole thing about Amelia Island. Thankfully, my friend Joe came through, and Joe and Sonia really helped us a lot by taking care of Maddie, helping us deal with her and make sure she was comfortable, because this was a big deal for her. It allowed us to have a place to stay on the island that didn't break the bank, and especially right now, because we're trying to make sure that human capital costs are paid out properly. That is to say that I'm paying my employees fairly. I don't have that much money in my coffers for lavish vacations, which maybe one day I will, but I don't know if I ever did.